Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen record sound settings into your INFINIX HOT 11S. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find screen record button in this block, then press and hold like this and drag to top for add. And for saving your editing, click back. And now we got this button in the top navigation bar, so press and hold. And here we got our screen record settings. So first option in the list will be sound option. If we tap on this option, we can change silent screen record or voice screen recording. So I want a voice screen recording, select this and tap sure to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.